So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Eicher Motors share. So we'll discuss the basic details of the share split and also we'll discuss the fundamentals which are very important, because if you are willing to invest in this company or you're already invested in it, then knowing the fundamentals of the company is very important. So watch the video till end. So this particular share was also recommended in the comment section, so that's why I'm making a video. So it may take almost to 1 to 2 days to make a video, because I need to gather the information as well as we need to analyze so that accurate information is provided to the viewers. So if you're new to the channel, can definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So let's get started. So if you see the current share price of Eicher Motors is almost around 21,718.70. So we know that continuously the stock is showing upward journey. So when the share split news has come in June 2020, the stock has given a movement of almost 40 to 50%, and so many people have added because they will be getting 10 shares of Eicher Motors when the splitting will happen. So around if we let us, for example, if we consider the stock price of Eicher Motors is around 20,000. So after the share split, the stock price will be almost reduced and will fall to 2,000 and will get 10 shares of Eicher Motors. So that is the simple meaning of a share split. So why share split? There are two main reasons for share split. So first reason is that because the share price is increasing continuously and it has reached the 21,000, for normal retailers affording 21,000 rupees share at that much high valuations will be very difficult. So that's why this is the one reason, and the liquidity reduces. So to increase the liquidity as well, the share split will be performed. Okay, I think you understood why the share split is happening. So these are the reasons of share split. So since the company was performing very well since the past years, and also the share price was seen a huge increment. So we'll also see the fundamentals, and also we'll try to do the volume analysis, which is very important. Okay, if you see the shareholding summary of Eicher Motors, you can see that promoter is having almost 49.3%. and you can see 26.9% is present with the FIIs only, and you can see public is having very less quantity, almost around 11.7% is present with the public, and you can see other institutions as well as mutual funds are having almost around 9.3%. So we can say well diversified. So major is present with the promoter, that is 50%, and rest of all is with the FIIs and financial institutions. Okay, when we see the historical promoter holding, you can see almost from June 2018, you can see 50.5% was present with the promoter. Later, he has kept constant, but slight decrease was there, almost 1%, and currently is having around 49.3%. So promoter is having still, we can say interest is there. So that is important if you're investing in any company. So if shareholding is decreasing, so that is also not a good indication. So you can see the shareholding in this company is constant, which is a good indication. So you need to analyze these things also when you're investing in any company. So next is the most important factor that we consider in the fundamental analysis is the mutual fund houses holding. So you can see the mutual fund houses holding, buying, selling, as well as how much they are holding. So you can see the number of holders are increasing, as well as you can see buying is also increasing, as well as selling also is present. So because so when more number of mutual funds are showing interest, so at certain point even they also take some amount of profit, and other institutions come and invest at that particular point. So this is common. So whenever any heavy quantity is sold by any other institution, so at the same time another particular institution buys at that particular price. So you should not panic about these things. Just you need to focus on the fundamentals, and since the mutual fund houses you can see holding is increasing, so that is also a very good indication. So these are the basic mutual fund houses that are having holding. You can see HDFC Arbitrage. So I'm scrolling down. You can, so that you can have a view of all the mutual fund houses. ICICI Pru, UTI. So almost all the top class mutual fund houses are having stake in this particular company. So that is also a very good thing. And if you see the June quarter and the May quarter, if you compare that, even the holding in percentage wise also has increased. Okay, you can see all, if you compare here, you can see percentage increase is also present, which implies that mutual fund houses are still showing interest in this particular company. Okay, next, when we see the financials of the company, you can see on June 2020, you can see company has completely, we know that results were bad, because even due to the COVID-19 pandemic, almost most of the auto stocks have posted loss. So that was common. We know that not only Eicher Motors, each and every auto company has reported loss because of the lockdown, and auto sales were very down. So we know that Eicher Motors main business is of the Royal Enfield. So people who know bullet bikes, so those are of Eicher Motors. And we know that that is the major source of income for this particular company as well. So if you see, revenue has dropped almost 66.03%. Net income has also fell, and diluted EPS, everything is down. So this is not to worry, because everything related to auto sector has shown loss. So since even the management has told that the future of the company is very good, so once the COVID-19 pandemic reduces, then definitely two-wheeler segment, which is the major business of it, definitely it will show improvement. So that was the statements which were provided by the management. So since the management has also provided positive statements, definitely even he's having good stake, so people are holding it, can definitely hold it. And the split which is be happening on 24th August, so definitely you will be getting 10 shares for the 1 share of Eicher Motors. Okay, so after that, will the liquidity increase? That also depends on the other factors as well. So now we'll see the volume analysis, and then we'll conclude the video. Okay, when you see the volume analysis, you can see on 21st August 2020, almost 18.3% was present. And if we see, the traded quantity was very huge as compared to the deliverable quantity. So continuous movement was seen in the stock. So many people have added in order that they would get extra 10 shares and they would earn good amount of profit. So don't do that sort of trading. So only see the fundamentals. If you're interested only, then only invest in this company. Okay. And weekly averages is 13.3 and monthly averages 16%. So deliveries were almost less for this company. Okay, it's not that in this particular session only it's showing less deliveries. So always this particular stock has shown less deliveries, and traded quantities are also present. So liquidity was very less, not completely less, so slightly it was less, because the share price is also very huge. So that's why the split is happening, so that every retailer can who are interested to buy this stock at low prices can invest in this company. Okay, so if you have invested, you can definitely mention in the comment section. So next videos we'll discuss about another share, and you can freely put your comments about any share you want an analysis. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.